In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually add crypto transactions in Koinly. This is perfect for moments when an exchange or wallet didn't sync, a CSV missed an entry, or you just want full control over the details of a specific transaction so your records and tax reports stay accurate. Start on the Koinly dashboard. This is your home base where you can see your overall portfolio and a quick overview of recent activity. From here, head to the transactions section. This is the ledger of everything Koinly knows about your crypto activity, and it's where we'll add a new entry. At the top, click Add. Koinly will offer a few types of transactions so you can categorize things correctly. You'll see options for a deposit, a withdrawal, and a trade. Pick the type that truly reflects what happened on-chain or on your exchange. For this walkthrough, we'll choose withdrawal, which you'd use for things like sending coins from an exchange to your personal wallet or moving funds off a platform. Next, set the date. Accurate dates are crucial because they affect cost basis, holding periods, and how gains or losses are calculated. If you have an exact timestamp from your exchange or Blockchain Explorer, use that so Koinly can line everything up precisely. When you're done selecting it, click OK to confirm. Now choose the wallet this transaction belongs to. Selecting the correct wallet makes reconciliation much easier, especially if you later import data from that same source. If you're withdrawing from a specific exchange account or a named hardware wallet, pick that exact one so the trail is clear. Add the currency you're withdrawing. You can start typing the asset ticker or name and then select it from the suggestions. Double check you've got the right network asset if there are similar tokens, as that can affect how Koinly interprets the movement. Enter the amount. Use the precise figure shown by your exchange or explorer. For cleaner records, make sure the number reflects what actually left the wallet you selected. Small discrepancies can throw off balances and create unnecessary reconciliation warnings later. When everything looks correct, click Save. Koinly will add the entry to your transactions list, and you should see it appear immediately. If you've entered the correct date, wallet, currency, and amount, your portfolio balances and any tax calculations tied to this movement will now be up to date. That's it. By following these steps, you can quickly and confidently add a manual transaction in Koinly whenever you need to fill a gap and keep your records complete.